Hello guys, I want to show us, good morning, I want to show us how to withdraw your ECC, and this is what you're going to be doing on time, because in the next 7 days, if you don't do it within 5 days or 7 days from now, let's say 6 days from now, you will lose all your coins on ECC back office. So this is how to do it quickly. First of all, go to Etherconnect, that is etherconnect.co/login. Log in into your platform. I am logging into my platform right now. Then when you log into your platform, the first thing you should do is to go and update your wallet, that is putting your ECC wallet address on this platform. You click on the 3 dots on top. Let me show you this place. You click there. When you click there, you will see this drop down. Then you click on account. You can see account here. You click on account. I have clicked on account. Then you click on update wallet. Click on update wallet. I've clicked on update wallet. Now when you click on update wallet, then you will be able to see where you can paste your ECC wallet address. This is where you paste your ECC wallet address inside this box. This is where you paste your ECC wallet address. Now, how do you get your ECC wallet address? Quickly, let's do this. Get our ECC wallet. I've pasted my own already, but I will show you how to get what you will paste under this ECC wallet address. Now, based on this, you go to your trust wallet. This is my trust wallet. You go to your trust wallet and locate where you added the ECC asset. You can see my ECC asset here. You open it, you click on it to open it. I've opened it. Then you click on copy. You click on this copy. Once you click on this copy, it has automatically copied your ECC wallet address. So this is what you're going to be using. If you have not added ECC as an asset on your own trust wallet, I have a video on my YouTube. So go to my video on the YouTube and get how to add new tokens on trust wallet. It will help you to know how to do that. So we won't be getting into that now. So let's say you have copied your wallet address. You go back to the Etherconnect platform and paste it inside this place. That is where you paste it inside that box. That's where you paste it here. Sorry. You paste it here. Paste it here. Then after pasting it there, you click on update. This blue update here, you click on it. After updating, the second thing you're going to do is now to withdraw your ECC. Okay, quickly, this is how to withdraw your ECC from the Etherconnect platform after you might have updated your ECC wallet on the platform. You must first update your ECC wallet on the platform. Then this is how to withdraw your ECC. You click on the menu button again. Then it will drop down. You click on withdraw. This is your withdraw. Take note, this is your withdraw. You click on withdraw. Then once you click on withdraw, it will open where you can withdraw your ECC. As you can see, I have 6,930.71 ECC. Now I can now put in that amount here. I will put in that amount here. What I have here, I'll put it there. So you can even do a kind of copy. You can do a kind of selecting it like this. That is long pressing on this, long pressing on it. Then click on copy. Then long press on where you're supposed to paste it. You click on paste. Once paste comes out, you click on it, or you can type it manually. You can be looking at it and be typing it manually. Then you click on withdraw. Now I have clicked on withdraw. It will send a code to your email address. The email address you used to sign up on this Etherconnect platform, it will send a code there. And I need to get to my email and get this code. So let me go and get the code that is sent to my email and paste it. I will have to paste it here. Then I click submit. So let me get the code. Okay, I have the code now, so I can paste it here. Long press and the paste will come out and I paste. Or you can still type it out. When the code you saw on your email, you can type it manually here. Then I click on submit. Let's see what happens. Now it has shown me this 500 server error. Don't mind about the 500 server error. Reload this page. The next thing you do is just to reload the page. I can even log in again. You can log out. You can remove the page entirely and log in again. Okay. Now I'm back on the platform. Now, to be sure that I have withdrawn that particular ECC, this is now making sure that you have withdrawn the ECC. I click on the menu button again, then I go to my operation history. This is operation. This is to make sure that you have withdrawn it after seeing the 404 or 500 error page. I click on operation history. Then I click on ECC withdrawal. I'm trying to see if it's recorded that I've made that withdrawal. I click on ECC withdrawal. Okay, look at it now. On the 4th of, you can see the date. On the 4th of January, which is today, I made a withdrawal of 6,000. You can see the coins. See it, I've withdrawn my ECC. So the withdrawal is already in queue. Then I verified it. Then once it goes through, I will now see success. So that is what it is. So that's how to withdraw your ECC from this platform. So do it within 2-3 days from now, and that will be okay. Thank you very much.